Rirase omogoroba obono omogorobo iga wesitariki kianda mutinye 12 omwaka bw'echilifu 2025 nukugera kwane buna kwegokire remero bilionsi esoko TV kuruchinsa 12 cheke mambi gwekera bongana ningo kwarigania eri anyora maya asenchira yubwenge yechinsa 10 chabona omogoroba tubwatie wetera asenchira omutandao bwekerero Facebook na boiga sensemo ya YouTube esoko TV tichakaso bwa meretriane Ishmael Mogere. Asumu chakara omogoroba obono abamenyi bensemo yegembe magena bumachoge barabu niko besokire na korokia gutesanika kwabo igoro yokobora kukwagachi weskuru yobobundi asensemeyo nigo barubekanire ritiko lya lero korokia gutesanika kwabo abuase bagosereri kogendera gukora okurubikana gwika bamanyiwe igoro yeskuru eyo yari Mombasa Technical.
Muntu ta kungaina nayo kurarose. Ikorarose ngaki ya narose standard yei. Ikoro kuita rimu komi.
Brada, mbiyamore. Ngwete sauti ya nini? Mbiyamore.
Muntu ta kungaina nayo kurarose. Ikorarose ngaki ya narose standard yei.
Mubonga amporo usempa kartigentoki boijo ekaraki ariko bangari Mombasa amporo batakartigentoki komite kagenda ekacho ekakora research ekareta oburi mompa kartigentoki boro ekara twale to buri murende tokaira somwe simi borengo rangarende enamba oburi mumware bateba twabanyo asinga tore political government serikali ya kisiasa nande kigakuro tacho kikawoncho libatu aligetamagena ekarukubu machoge borabu kwene technical institute amangana achiro kwa mwaka 2010 na yeye mwaka 2025 myaka ndio rote ya
15 bako represented wanafuatilia wale wakufuatilia mbakala teki baro naande mbaleke bebo komanye kigakala teki
Ona igetira kumbiria ko eriete ligese magena gese baku yumo aliruete number 1 ese ndo ko ndo ande gese baku ambo kono mwaka egento kaliya kabere emwaga ndalia Moti chase ngento to igure ngente kanande kia unjo kurwa kiachire moino make lige ko kinigwa aitwa tona soma yes egento kende ikotorega moto ali chi biloko tabanga ekwende ito tara ibukuru kweka no eli bitu ko borro ni liti limote tu borro na bako sio boli
Ese gente que está quiere comer ku ekero to wo chabono ba chirenga kwere magena ke sabaku kwere nderandi ngajire eyira mama go chaba tera aki ngaigeta kire kore bare sa ga ke beka nga ekara tuage ndororo iga bato tebiga mbako beka gento egeko gara barabue bako beka ese certificate tiere ine serikali baire from housing
Arena y'umwanchi umurigereria umwati bogati mu mwanyi Nyasimi Joba nigateberega tia makumwense ya Kenya gwetera nigakoretwa gwetera ogochoro kubekwa barayi kurwase omwaki ekura Nyasimi asenkwane yaye asomurubiri gweto robini imiyegeta seni ekigagia nsoko nigaerere buna oburayi osoburayi obube nigo bokwirira ogokorekana kwebikoro by'obukurumi gwetera okwana lyaki ase ebigambiro imeyense
eshida enene stobwate neri na Kenya seke bigori byarero twanyare tugusari uburayi n'uburayi ebogosareka kuru litiko lito wakachikura kyagera ekero to wakachikura tubeke abarayi ababe ss asa uburayi waito abuno eshida itego cyakera kyagera obeke MCR enkora obeke omochumbe oromokora obeke gabanere omokora obeke umuseneta ulio gote namba como eli yake amanya gukorwanirira se senate umaye gutwara mbake president era enkora na kiora expect abantu abambanyara bakobekera liberera ase bigambiro byaitu ne bigambiro byaitu kiba byekire byanyare bikoba na bikoe obwoba twanyare tukutwara kutwara our former justice Olenke David Maraga wetenenerete utaringi kogosa koti yose bigambiro byaitu bikaba ebigambiro aba nakibina barenge noboremu nona iko kwenda koti umayede na okogenda ali umujani utwaleli yaki ebintu byango sale kabire nkobutwole usengo bekolera kere nona aba wakili bali ba konyara bakole bina mutu yaba abana kibine kabirabu yabaringo twara ubwo yote na king nabugolie liyakiriye omotecho ye ayire gochororo igo bono ekero twachale twanyare twara uburayi borobobe ase tubwate system ere enchafu ase corruption yanyare goso ibi byonse gotena corruption na bekobo oyo kabero mu waziri Daktari Fred Matiang'i nigaruo kubore gochia sabasaye kwerike buna bakichikura ase nkwana yaye nigaerera buna obora bubwense ya Kenya na monchererio nigo arache wetera ogwesokia na gwaka ekura.
Vijana ambao mko hapa, tafadhali ndugu na dada, chukueni kura. Tunaweza kuongea haya maneno namna hii, tupige dance, tuombe, sawa ni kuomba, sawa ni kupiga hiyo dance. Lakini sasa kama hatuna kura na hatuendi kupiga kura katika kituo cha kupiga kura 2027, hatujabadilisha maisha yetu, na njia tu ya kubadilisha haya maneno ni kuwa na kura. Chukua kura, tupige kura, tuwe tayari kufanya sehemu yetu kama wananchi as faithful citizens to move our country to the next level.
Asense moyende omurai wekiama kia United Green Movement David Maraga aseganga yayo kurigekero kyobrai wense boigo kweyargani bosibo bochori obonene bo mwaka wechilifu 2025 nigamochirie umuroberi wobo chino omanyekaine buna sha oyo atebire utari kurwa bokorari obwikiranu gochiase omo Kenya gekubwekaniwa n'oli omukoro o NHIF asenkwana yaye nigatebire umuroberi oyo n'oyubo kuibera omwana inchi imeyense.
To the young people, more power. More power. Ya kuimprove ile NHIF vile ilikuwa inafanya ile kasoro ilikuwa nayo. Sasa imekuja ingine ambao inaibia wananchi na haifanyi kazi. Yale ambao tunakubaliana na makanisa ya kwamba hiyo kitu ifutiliwe mbali, turudi kwa NHIF mpaka system mpya ipatikane ambayo inaweza kusaidia wa Kenya. Sasa hii ambao tuko nayo haisaidii wa Kenya. We are going to make a statement when we have the facts about what exactly they are selling it for, what they are selling them for. And there are even many others, a few things that have happened in the first few days, like the agreements the president signed in the US. We want to get the details of that agreement so that we can make a comprehensive statement. Tufurahi ni vile inafanywa. Kama unakumbuka kwanza kulikuwa na a French company ambayo ilikuwa imepegwa kandarasi ya hii barabara. Hiyo kandarasi ikafutulia mbali. Vile nakumbuka Kenya ililipa zaidi ya bilioni 6. Kama ile tunaita damages. Ile vile mambo inafanywa ndio atupendelei. Barabara kila mtu anahitaji. Tupigane na wizi. Tupigane na wizi wale ambao wako mamlakani wameiba mali ya serikali mpaka serikali karibu inasimama. Mnajua vile elimu ya watoto wetu iko, mnajua vile matibabu yako, watu vile wanasumbuka na mambo mingi yale ambao tutaangalia wakati tutakuja.
Gentlemen, on the 7th and 8th of December 2025.
To reset, restore and rebuild Kenya. That we commit to stick together as the young people of Kenya to work as a team as we approach the 2027 general elections, both in getting out the vote as well as protecting the votes.
Asense moyende obora igwe kiama kia UDA nigo bwararira buna obochori gwe kiama ekyo chinsemo oimeyense nigo bora korekane omutinyu mutangani omwaka ogocha korengana no muriki gwe kiama Hassan Omar Hassan nigarere buna nigo barakore ose nigo bora korekane county ya 20 echikonyo obochori obwo botarakorekana erio kweyarigani wosibo obochori obonene bo mwaka gwe chirifu 2025.
Election ya chama ya UDA ni mwezi ujao, mwaka ujao tarehe 10 mwezi wa Januari 2026. Katika maeneo 20 counties 20 ndani ya Kenya zile zilikuwa ambazo bado hakujafanywa uchaguzi, na sasa hii tuko katika process inaitwa sensitization, ili tunaenda katika zile county ambazo zitakuwa na huu uchaguzi kuelimisha na kuhamasisha watu ili waweze kujihusisha kikamilifu na kujiandikisha kama wagombea katika hii election na kujitayarisha kabla wengine kwenda malikizo na kwenda katika nafasi zao za sherehe. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio ile process tunaichukulia sasa hizi.
We are here today because of the grassroots elections, the sensitization which the UDA party have done to us, and I'm urging all the UDA and the residents of Kericho County that we got to register as UDA members so that we come for the grassroots elections and we vote for UDA party leaders. So I'm urging all of us, especially the youth and the women in the ground, that we got to register this so that we come and support our party leader. This time round, we are very much happy because we are getting the leaders from the grassroots. We are not getting appointive leaders. We are getting a leader who is being elected by the people. So I'm urging all of us that we got to be members of UDA.
Asense moyende oyo kabiro mo governor we county ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko nigachakire kiama ya kimanyekaine buna National Economic Development Party wosibo chorio bonene bu mwaka we chilifu 2025. Asenkwane yaye nigaerere merubirio erachi kubwatia ye kiama ekyo monase oborai.
Today we are very glad the office of the Registrar of Political Parties has issued us with a full registration of our party, National Economic Development Party of Kenya. We started this journey in 2019, and then we lodged the documents in these offices in 2020. It has not been an easy journey, and I take this opportunity to thank the office of the Registrar of Political Parties and its entire team, our founder members. I think they're here with me. There are no new faces to you guys. For instance, our chairman is none other than Dr. Nyamu. Dr. Nyamu is a non-gynecologist. He used to be my director at Pumwani Hospital during my tenure as the governor of Nairobi. Then we have our SG, Ben Mulwa here. He also used to be my PA. We have Honorable Nancy. We have a team of Gen Zs here. We have the Kebu president, Madam Masai, who is the deputy party leader. We have another here, Mr. Manyara. We have Vice Chair Dr. Rashid. So you can see we have the whole face of Kenya is here with us. So we're thankful to God. We thank also our staff, our entire team. Dr. Nyamu is here. Dr. Nyamu is the famous gynecologist who used to be the director of Pumwani Maternity Hospital. He's our interim chairman, and I'm the interim party leader. Now we are going to forward our constitution here. We are going to follow a democratic process of electing leaders through the delegates, through the wananchi. Hii ni chama ya Wakenya, ni chama ya wananchi wote. Hii ni mwanzo mpya kwa Wakenya. Tumechoka na zile vyama vya zamani. Sisi sasa tunasikia chama gani. Since I was in nursery school, we are hearing of names who have been there for decades. Today, hii ni mwamko mpya. We have a party that I'm the interim party leader.
Arenayo muwaziri w'Ekigosori Salim Mvurya nigaruro kobore gukia saba sai kwa nikigo tumeke boronge w'imitandao yekerero asabo igarure gosemya wo kubeka ense mutwe eriko yeira aseke wango kende.
The government has already put in place policies, laws in place. We have the government machinery to ensure that every Kenyan is safe and secure. But we must also remember one thing. we cannot legislate good behavior. We cannot tell you how you should live in your homes. It has to come from your heart. So it is our responsibility to take care of our women and children, both men and young boys, in the same tender, loving care space that we need. So as government, the systems are in place. As Kenyans, it's upon us to retool our mindset to understand that we must be caring, we must be loving, and we must coexist within the space that we have, within the principles of God. Love each other, take care of each other.
And I want to urge our young people and all Kenyans, to make sure that we put our country first. Of late, we have seen a few incidences, where a few people also target youths to cause violence. And I have advised that is not the way to go. The youth of our country have a dream, and that dream will only be realized if we are in a peaceful, united environment and in a country called Kenya. So as a ministry, we will also be working with other government agencies on a number of projects that are already existing. Some will be coming forward to ensure that we provide a platform and opportunities for young people of our country. Government has enabled technology. It is to provide an opportunity for positive transformation, not as an opportunity for deterring the dreams of others and promotion of crime. So I think this is an important conference, and we hope at the end of day 3 we'll have covered enough ground in terms of promoting awareness. And I think the choice of universities and tertiary institutions is very critical, because we have also seen a lot of cases of femicide in our institutions. And I think the GBV has been a very critical contributor.
Asensemo yende bosibo bochoryo banene bo mwaka bwechilifu bere 2025 mubunge wensemo ye bunge ya game Elisha Odhiambo nigaerere buna egesa kukiomogere nigokira chigotenena n'umurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto na kumwakire kura. Asenkwana yaye Elisha nigamochiri omugabara bwe county ya Siaya James Orengo asoko boma mincha n'oburai bw'umurai wense.
I listened to the governor of Siaya talking in the funeral of Beryl Odinga. And what he mentioned, he said that politicians should study what is happening in the ground. I am in Gema Benjo. The people of Gema Benjo are saying they are going to vote for President William Ruto a second term. What they are saying, the ground Orengo is listening to, is a ground that there is no water, there is no drugs in the hospital, there are no toilets in the market. And if indeed is listening to the ground, the people, the nurses in Siaya, whose money was taken, he should arrange how his brothers, his friends who took money from the nurses to return 300,000 each that they took as a bribe to employ the nurses. There's a lot of politics going on in Nyanza. I want to encourage, especially the people in Homa Bay. When your own son is employed by government, you should be the last person to be looking for the son to be removed. Even here in Siaya, and I mentioned yesterday, election of governor, all game people voted for me. But majority of game people voted for Gumbo. They did not vote for Rengo. The majority voted for Gumbo. I, as Elisha, as the MP, I could not decide to them where to vote. It's the same thing in Kasipul. Raymond Omolo could not decide for people of Kasipul where to vote. So to drag his name is nonsensical.
Wikirabo mwanchu morigereri no tuwekira mweyo bwa maya yechinse kumese nchera yo bwengense ya monechinse sato no chikomera namuna Clinton ondigi kara akirara chuko yaretera asenchira yo wembe buna basaki bayito barachiko yarigania ase omogoroba obono gendera kubwatimiro birende yatigira ase omogoroba yega imenso kati yo borusibo mugusi ereteriane Ishmael Mogere.